This homemade Bisquick mix has been a great time saver for me, which is really important because I have 7 children and we have many things that we're doing throughout our day. So this is a way that I can have a shortcut for muffins, pancakes, waffles, and biscuits. I begin with 10 cups of flour. I'm just doing white flour today, but sometimes I'll do 8 cups of white flour and then 2 cups of wheat flour just to make it a little bit healthier, but still not too heavy. Next, I add 1/3 of a cup of baking powder, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of shortening. Today I'm using the butter flavored. It does give it a little bit more flavor to it, so I like doing that, but you can do it with the regular as well. Now I'll mix it together. The big thing that I want is all of the shortening needs to be in tiny pea-sized pieces throughout here. You can do this with a spoon or you can do this with a mixer, but if you're using a mixer, be very careful because it can go all over the place if you're not. Then I'll place my mix in a large airtight container. I like to use one with a large opening so that it's easier to scoop out. I'll then place my Bisquick mix in a cool, dry location and use it in the next 3 to 6 months. I do have a couple additional videos that show how to make biscuits, pancakes, waffles, and muffins.